We see approximately upwards of 12,000 customers come through the door every week, so we are servicing a high volume of customers. Since we've done our revamp, they're really starting to see what we have to offer and that we're not just a Texaco or a Spar store, we're something a little bit different. We've been dealing with Netwatch for many years now, and from the get-go it was a relationship that worked for us. They put up signage immediately once the system went in, and I think as a rule now people know when they see that. They know the Netwatch brand and they know that that means business. We brought in the Netwatch Staff Safety Solution to give us peace of mind. So as owners, as managers, we need to be able to shut off, we need to be able to go home in the evenings safe in the knowledge that our staff are being taken care of at all times. If anything happens in store and our staff feel uncomfortable or there's an altercation or anything goes wrong, there's panic buttons at each of our tills. So once those panic buttons are pressed, it instantly goes to the Netwatch hub in Carlow. So they can hear everything that's happening and they can see everything that's happening in the store at that time. They can also talk back to our staff if needs be, if they need to give them directions, if they need to communicate something to them. It's a two-way system.
Attention, attention, this is Netwatch. All your actions are being recorded. Gardaí are en route to site.
I'm okay, he's gone.
All the staff members here are really happy with the new system. It gives everyone a great peace of mind and reassurance that they are safe.
We had panic buttons in store before, but this is next level. This is a next level system in terms of communication. For us as owners, we know that when the panic button is pressed, we will be notified, and it's something that gives us complete security.